Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amara Kompo here. So it's good to have you back on the channel. If you are new here, it's good to have you on the channel. Thank you so much for your support. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to soak your clothes. If you want to soak your clothes before you wash them, I'm going to be showing you how to do that right away. So make sure to like and share this video, drop your comments, just show your support, smash the like button if you find this video useful. Okay, so let's head in right into the video. So I've already put in my detergent. Here, so you can watch my previous videos to know how I measure that, and I'll drop them in the description box. So I'll put on the power button. Then, because I want to soak, I'm not going to allow it to select further for me automatically. I'm going to go to wash. I'm going to hold it down for 3 minutes or 3 seconds rather. So the soak has been activated. You'll notice that the light is now on, meaning that my clothes is going to soak for some minutes before it starts washing, and then I'll head over to start. The process has been activated, so I'm going to be giving you updates. How long it's going to soak and when it's going to start. So apparently the soak has begun. It's read, when I started the process, it read 37 minutes. So now it's at 30 minutes. It's going to be washing your clothes, so at some point it's going to pause. And then it will spin again. So that's how the soak feature works. So if you notice, guys, it's left with 11 minutes and it has ended the soak process. Now the remaining time is for washing. So the process has ended. It didn't complete other things for me automatically, like the rinse and spin. So I have to just start again, and because I have other things to do, I won't want to start coming to do my rinse and spin manually. So I'll just go for the quick program so that it will do everything for me automatically after now. So I'm going to take it to the quick, so it will just wash for you very short, maybe 4 minutes or so, and then rinse and spin for me automatically. So that's what I'll do now. So if you want to see how I wash, how I use this automatically from beginning to the end, manually, whatever process, whatever way you want to see it. Just check my other videos, they'll be in the description box. So I'm just going to complete my washing. And found this video useful, kindly like and share and comment. Drop your comments. I'd like to know your thoughts. So it's just going to do everything for me. It's going to wash for 4 minutes because this is the quick. I've already really washed, right, with the soaking and the washing, so I don't want any stress on the clothes again. So it's going to do everything for me automatically. I'm hurrying up to go out, so I don't have time to start showing you rinse and spinning manually, everything. You can watch my video on how to use it manually to see all that process. So I came back and made this, so it has ended, the quick process ended, and these are my clothes, and they're mostly white, right? And I would say the soaking process, it helps to wash them because these clothes were really dirty. So I think the soaking process works. So I'll just open my top like this and leave it till when I'm ready to spread the clothes. I'm about to head out, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, click the like button, smash the like button, share the video if you find it useful. Drop your comments. I'd like to know your thoughts or your questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.